Hello guys, Ask Anastasia again. If it's first time on my channel, I'm talking about money, financing, credit. Today, I want to talk about silence. I'm on my walk. I'm still trying to do this 10,000 steps every day, and this coronavirus really, it was really helping me. I lost about 30 pounds so far, but just listen to the forest. Yeah, no, hopefully you're enjoying silence the way I do. And you can see the blue sky all the way right there. And it's about 85 degrees outside, but here in the forest, it's so nice and cool. Can you see the creek right there? It's almost dry. But in this time, when I'm taking these walks, I usually listen to the some audiobooks, motivational audiobooks, and it's really make you think about life, about purpose in life, about your goals, about what's really important or not important. And I believe money is as important as oxygen. And please don't give me this BS when people are saying happiness, it's not in money. Just think about your last money problem and how it's ended. And when you have problems, trust me, when you have money, it's much easier. So I really believe that in order for you to be able to help other people or to help you, you need to have money. But you also need to be spiritual. You also need to take care of your health. That's why I'm walking every day. And sometimes just stop and listen to the forest. Just got a thought, can it be a good meditation tape? Let's try. Let's try to be silent like for 5 minutes and just listen to it. Oh, that would be a nice spot to sit and watch the river and think about life. Oh, water it's not that clean. But look at this. I'm not sure if I can sit. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So let's see if we can meditate under this video about money. You still watching? Hello. By the way, if you're trying to quit smoking, this cigarette, it's like Viper, but it doesn't have any nicotine in it. So you kind of still, have a feeling of cigarettes, but it's no nicotine, so there is no damage to your health. It's called Enjoy. It's many other brands right there, I'm sure, but I like this one. Guys, I really want to express how thankful I am for all your supports, and even though most of the phone calls I'm getting it's with critic, and trust me, I know what I'm doing wrong. I know that my videos are not perfect. I know that thumbnail probably it's not the prettiest. I'm just trying, I'm learning, and I know that with every video I become better and better, and I really appreciate all your support. And I know with your busy lives it's really hard to watch these videos. Sometimes I'm just mumbling or it's not subject that you'd like to see, but your support means a word to me. I know that there is so many people around the world, and especially in the United States, who just don't have financial education. Unfortunately, in system here, in schools, they don't teach kids what to do with the money and how world works. They give them a lot of knowledge that they're not gonna be using in life, but they go out and they don't know how to rent their first apartment, and when they get their first credit card for $200, they just go and spend it, you know, in nightclub, and then they're gonna ruin their credit forever. I hope that I'm gonna be able to provide some information that it's usable, that's gonna help people, and I hope that you're gonna help me to spread the message. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Subscribe if you're not. If you like the video, I would appreciate. And comments also help a lot. Peace. Thanks.